What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making chocolate covered cheesecake stuffed strawberries. We hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need strawberries, graham crackers, powdered sugar, milk chocolate chips, cream cheese, and vanilla. We're going to start with our filling. In a bowl, add 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of powdered sugar, and mix. Next, place 1 pack of graham crackers in a Ziploc bag and crumble them into fine pieces using a rolling pin or a meat tenderizer. Now simply remove the stems from your strawberries. Place your strawberries on skewers. This will make it easier to dip the strawberries in the chocolate. In a bowl, add your chocolate chips and melt them in the microwave in 15-second intervals or follow the directions on your package. Dip your strawberries in chocolate until they're fully covered and place them on a baking sheet to allow the chocolate to harden. You can also place them in the freezer for 5 minutes to assist in hardening the chocolate. Once the chocolate is hardened, cut off the top of the strawberries and remove the inside. Using a piping bag, stuff each strawberry with filling. Sprinkle graham crackers on top of strawberries. And there you have it, chocolate covered cheesecake stuffed strawberries. Once again, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.